throw that out there. We'll fly it out.
Adele's better than Beyonce.
Come on.
Voice wise?
Yeah, what did you just say?
I like Adele's albums better than Beyonce's albums.
Come on,
What were we saying?
Like, who hurt you?
I don't even want to say anything on mic, cause
Nah, spill it.
No,
No,
Jason.
I'm not going to.
Jason, who hurt you, man?
I was listeting to that Adele.
Who hurt you, man?
That shit was hitting, bro. That shit was hitting. That shit was hitting.
I can't lie. There was one song on the Adele album where she's talking about like her youth.
I think it was 25.
I can't remember. Now I want to listen to it. Yo, I felt that song. I was like, yo, I get it. She's up there.
Yeah, I don't know, man.
Over Beyonce?
Beyonce?
Over
Beyonce?
Beyonce?
Over Beyonce. Over Beyonce.
You ain't supporting your black queens?
I mean, I got to be tied down to race. I can't just like my peoples for being,
Nah.
for being people.
You have to be first, my guy.
I don't know. Just me?
I think it's just
I support you. I'll walk through hell with you.
You walking through
I'll walk
with
through
me?
hell with you.
Liv? No?
I'm neutral.
Neutral? Ruckus?
I'm gonna have to listen to the project, so I can't
Adele's
even,
project
I
will
can't
have
even
you
say
in
nothing.
a
It's fire. Don't get me
Are
wrong.
you part of the
I'll
B
take
squad?
Beyonce over
You a hive? You a hiver?
Yeah.
Damn. I don't know what they call each other.
They call them the Beehive.
Beehive?
Beehive.
The Beehive.
I've been a beehive since I was 5 years old.
What?
You have to get stung, my guy.
For real. She about to take me straight to Twitter. It's a
Who
good
you
thing I
think
don't have
was
it.
the barbs or the beehive?
The Beehive. The
Yeah, what was the question?
First of all, the
Who you
barbs
think will win
the bars are broke.
in the army? In the army?
The barbs are broke. Compared to the Beehive.
But then, yo,
Who's
the
Barbs?
barbs don't take no shit.
Who's Barbs?
That's on Twitter.
That's
That's
right.
Nicki Minaj.
Twitter.
Oh,
Really Twitter
Nicki
gangsters.
Minaj.
But yo, they'll act hard in real life.
No, they won't.
You don't know.
Nah.
They will.
Nah.
They'll ride out.
They ride out. They ride out.
There's
The
fights.
barbs?
There's
The barbs will
literally
ride out. I don't
fights.
think.
There's Cardi Nicki fights like girls in real life.
Yeah, they'll cuss. They'll cuss.
I'm not.
No,
I ain't-
throwing
Yeah.
hands.
I'm not scared of
believe
no
it.
barbs.
I don't think the beehive is gonna
The
be.
Beehive.
I
The
don't think
Beehive
the
will
beehive.
attack me in my workplace, on Twitter, in person,
I feel-
everywhere.
I feel like the
Everywhere.
beehive. I feel like the beehive will just make you feel like shit. Whereas like the barbs will just beat you up.
They'll try to, but
They'll pull up on you.
They come in.
I
Yeah.
dare them. I dare.
I feel like barbs will pull up on your house.
I
Yo,
dare
you're
them.
picking a fight with nobody who said they're good. They're trying to fight with you.
Yeah. So that's what I'm trying to say. I ain't no pussy. I'm just letting the barbs know.
Yeah, nobody said you were a pussy.
No one said it, but anyways. That's
Part
my
of the
last hot take.
40%.
That's my last hot take. I'm standing on it.
I feel you.
Yeah.
Well, are you just saying singing? That's what I'm
Just singing.
Is it just singing or
Just singing,
Because
performance.
performance.
I
Beyonce's
haven't
dance-
seen Beyonce live. I haven't seen
Beyonce's
Beyonce.
dancing.
I'll
bro.
give
Discographies.
performance to Beyonce, but musically, I'm gonna give it to Adele.
Adele has,
It's tight.
Adele has like 2 albums.
Adele makes some
It's
great.
tight.
She only has 2 albums.
Two different
three.
vibes though.
Adele?
Yeah, she's
Yeah,
like
3.
2 albums.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that. She had 2 fire fucking albums.
Yeah, Beyonce's had like 10.
Doesn't matter, and some of them are mid.
Yeah, but that's gonna happen if you do 10. Not all of them is
maybe
gonna
she
hit.
should work on the quality and not the quantity.
No one-
Yeah, am I right?
You're right.
Nah.
You're right. You're right.
Yo,
Like,
hey.
You're
Nick,
right.
What if someone from Beyonce's team asked you to photograph her?
I'll take the
You told her
opportunity,
that.
but I'll tell you, yo, the music is not what I think it's up to Adele standard.
That's crazy.
And if you don't fuck with me, then you don't fuck with me. I give my opinion. I'm
Damn.
sorry.
She won't
I
fuck
rate
with
it.
you,
Adele
So
has 4. Adele has 4.
she has 4.
4?
So
She has one before 21?
19, 21, 25, and 30.
She has one called Where's 19
They're
at?
all numbers.
I didn't know that.
It's a series. This type
Oh,
of artists
shit.
take their aesthetics seriously. Come on.
Adele's a fire artist for sure.
She's
Yeah,
sick.
we're not saying, but we're
Hello from
that's
the
not-
other.
but that's
Yo,
not the
she been on a
that's
roll
not the
since
conversation,
21.
though.
She hasn't missed since
I'm not
21.
saying
Beyonce or
From the other
Adele. We talk
Like-
about if she's good or not. We know she's good.
Yo, all I know is Adele hasn't missed since 21. That's all I know.
I haven't.
And she's
I
at
haven't-
30 now.
I haven't. Listen, I will say this. I have never really heard anybody talk shit about Adele, but I've seen people talk shit about Beyonce. Now we can argue that this might be a race thing, but
I was also gonna say like she was also bigger, so people didn't want to attack her because they said that'll be fat shaming.
That's fine.
that's possibly another thing too.
So
but I'm just saying.
Yeah.
So now she's open because she's skinny now?
Yeah,
She's open because she's
free
skinny? That's
free
crazy.
game now.
Free game now. That's funny.
Oh my god, that's funny.
I hope you know you're on the chopping block. But yeah, I've never actually really seen
Not a
anybody
pussy,
like
yo.
talk shit about her musical, like her music.
I don't think you
I
can,
see
man.
people talk shit about Beyonce music.
I don't think you
They say
can.
that Adele stole some other other girl, this independent artist, this whole album layout.
That's light. She should have did better.
all of that.
Should have gone harder.
You know what? It's not about who does it
Should've gone
first.
harder. Like,
It's not about who does it first. It's who does it better.
Yeah.
You
Not about
feel
who
me?
did it first.
You know what I mean? That's
Yeah,
all it is.
This is shit. I'm about to buy it.
Yeah.
Watch this little nigga.
Oh man. She was black too.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't support that. She's black. I don't support.
Plot twist.
Plot twist.
Oh shit.
You gonna try and take it back? Oh, cause he was like, little nigga.
Goddamn.
And with that being
He's on the chopping block.
Oh my
With that
god.
being said,
Yeah, go ahead.
episode 90. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you guys tune in for episode 91 of the ManDem Mossin podcast.
Yeah.
Thank you for everyone listening. It's your boy.